It has been more than 2 weeks now. I have not seen my daughter's face. I've not heard her voice. I've not told her how much I love her and how much I miss her and how much I'd like to spend some time with her and get to know her. Sometimes I feel like I want to know what she's doing and what new words she's outspoken, whether she's now running around, learning how to walk. And sometimes I'd really miss her and I can't sleep at night. And I can't eat. Just, I could be at peace in the next minute. I have this rush of thoughts. I just miss my girl. I miss her so bad. They have put so much restrictions on me. I don't know how to feel. I bought my girl toys, and I was thinking about buying her more stuff. And I guess this is what it really feels like, huh? To lose the one that you love, even when they're alive and still kicking.